All right, YouTube, this is Jesse. I got myself a new tool. This is by a laser company that I purchased. This is a custom-made laser machine. And here it is right here. It's a portable machine and it takes off rust, which I'm excited to show you. I've been working out the settings and it is actually a great little tool that I have. So right here, you can see the laser unit, 300 pulsed watt power. And right here I have my business name on there. Classic Sense Auto, right? And it removes rust. I'm going to show you a little bit of the work that I just did. I've been playing with it, so the settings aren't perfect, and I'm working with the company about the settings, but you can kind of see that I've kind of cleaned this off. It'll only take me a couple minutes, but I'm about to clean this off right here. So this was a brake or a clutch pedal assembly that I'm restoring, and I have some rubber on there, and I'm going to be careful of the rubber, but you can adjust the power so it's not going to, light fires and things like that. So here we go. You can see that this area is pretty rusty along with this area right here, and then you got the edges right here that are pretty bad. On the inside, same thing. You've got some surface rust here that we're going to take care of before I paint, because I'm going to use this again on my other OBS truck because I have two of them, and I want to restore this piece because these are $350 from Ford, and I realized I thought I needed the full assembly, but what went bad was not the bushings but just the levers, and these holes right here didn't have to get redone, so I'm just going to restore this and bring it back to its glory. All right, let me show you a little bit about what's going on here with the laser. The thing about the laser is it's really about distance control when using the laser. Obviously you have some safety precautions with the laser. You don't want it to reflect back in your eye, so you have these safety glasses right here. These are laser safety glasses, and if you're in a well ventilated area, you're probably a little less prone to the dust. But if you're in a closed area, obviously you want to have a mask on, you want to have your PPE in. All right, so let's go ahead and show you a little bit about the laser system here. So right now I have it set only on 70% power, and I have it on a B-line shape. And what I'm going to do is you see right there, you can see a line right there, and then if I do a double, you can see it's just cleaning up pretty fast, right? So I just kind of, and it will go louder and lighter, right? It really depends on the distance control. So this is something I'm learning, and hopefully master that. But it really cleans this up quite quickly if I have the right distance. You see it coming off really easy, right? And for these small projects, it's really a great tool. It's because bead blasting is kind of messy, and this is going to clean this up pretty well where I can actually restore this part and paint it and make it look good. So, all right, I'm going to show you the finished product here in about 20 or 30 minutes. Hopefully you like this, and you can kind of see it's coming in here. It's a harder rust. I'm going to clean it right up. So I'm going to give you the finished product here in a few minutes. Part 2.